Now we move on to the steps that will help you build your presence on Facebook. It only takes a few minutes to create a Facebook page. However, it takes a lot of time to reach a significant number of customers or fans that you can build up on your page. The first thing that you need to do is to create your presence on Facebook. Next, you need to build a community, a target community which will be your audience. This community can be organically built, that is the ones who can be liking your page without seeing any ads, and the paid community which can be coming to your page only after they see their ads. One of the other important steps is also to leverage and use the unused assets that you have for your brand. This will help you build the brand presence on the social network. You also need to identify different content opportunities, that is the different content types that can be shared on these social platforms to engage with the audience. And the last and the most important thing that a brand needs to do when they are building their presence on Facebook is listen to your community and respond to them. I will now show you how to create a Facebook page for a business. The first thing as mentioned is you will have to log into Facebook with a business account and then create a page. Click on the option to create a page and then select if it is a local business, it is a company or an organization, or is it any artist, any brand or any public figure for whom you are creating a page, if it is an entertainment business, or is it a community or an NGO. Once you select that, the Facebook will prompt you to choose what category your brand belongs to. Is it from the energy business or from the beverages or the health and beauty or various other options that will be available via a drop down on Facebook. Once you select your category, you will start creating your Facebook page. The first step that you do post creating the page is upload a profile picture. Whenever you create a brand page for a business, the profile picture is usually the brand logo. Make sure that this brand logo is high in resolution and clear in visibility. The next step that is to be done is to add some details or some information about the business, which is a very short description about the business that you are into. Post that, you will have to like your page to set up the business and then create the page live on Facebook. Post doing that, you create a cover picture and then upload the same on the Facebook page. The dimensions of the cover picture can be the same as the cover picture of an individual profile, but it will be great if a brand gives out certain message or some communication with the use of a cover picture. Then on the right hand side of the page, you will see an edit page option, and when you click on it, there is an update info tab which needs to be clicked on. Once you click on the same, you will see a screen where it will ask you to fill up all the basic information about your business for the audience, like the category of your business, the official website link, the name of your business, the kind of business you are into, an overview about your business, into a short description and also a lengthier description which will detail out every single information about your company. It will then allow you to add any awards that are received by the brand, and then the products can be listed, and there are a lot of other options which can be filled up and used.